So what we're doing today is cleaning the dust out of the refrigerator. Can't see if it's going outside. Down here. Down there, see if it gets sees dust. Let's see. You can tell if any came out or not. I'll have to look in the front. I'll look in the front of the refrigerator and see if there's any. I was looking for dust. There's a little dust on this thing. No, I didn't get it yet. But I can suck some of that up with the vacuum. I suppose I gotta turn it around maybe. Blow that dust back the other way. Look at how easy this thing swivels on this ceramic floor. I really like linoleum, but you can't do it. You can't do this on linoleum. This is a big old fridge too, although they do make big ones. So linoleum, you risk. But there's dust piles all over the place. Looks like it's not so much sort of atomizing it as it is knocking out chunks. I'd say I got it clean. Even got my wife to help me clean the inside. Look at that. See how it goes way back? You can't get a vacuum in there. And you can't get under it because you can't see the floor, but I mean I got under the first part of it, but there's a floor to the fridge as you go back, so you can't like get underneath it.